Attention Bitcoin holders, this is exactly when to expect Bitcoin's next major pump. Welcome back if you are returning. Great to see you. If you're new here, welcome in. My name is Steve. Do you want to have less stress and more success? You absolutely do. Hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell. Hit the thumbs up button. Less stress, more success. Did you hit the button? Do that right now. Today, we're going to be looking at a study. One study that you're going to be able to keep in your pocket forever to know when the next pump is in your favorite coin or Bitcoin. All right. The problem right now is everyone is very fearful. There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of doubt. And there's a lot of people that are wondering, what the hell should I do? Is Bitcoin going to keep going down? Should I sell now and buy back when it goes lower? Should I buy now? How do I know when Bitcoin's going to pump? It just seems like it's been going down for weeks and weeks. Is it going to keep going down? How do I know when it's going to stop? All of those questions will be answered with a simple and clear chart. Now, you're here because you want more success. You're here because you want financial freedom. That's probably your big goal, right? If you don't have our free course, you're completely left behind. You need to go get our free course right now at cryptocrewuniversity.com. It'll help you on your path to financial freedom. It'll make trading simple, and it will clear up a bunch of stress. cryptocrewuniversity.com, the link is down below. Pause this video, go get your free course. It'll take you 3 seconds, and then come back to this video. cryptocrewuniversity.com, click right here. The link is also below. Now, what we're looking at today is how do we know Bitcoin is going to pump? Now, there's a handful of charts that we use to really dictate it, but we'll hone in on one to really give you a clear understanding. It's the stochastic RSI. I'm going to tell you how it works, and then I'm going to tell you what's my opinion on what to look for. But you can see the market's been moving sideways, right? Bitcoin's been moving sideways essentially for a bunch of months, right? And if you follow our channel, you're well aware of our boxes. We started covering these boxes many months ago. We started covering them and we started really identifying when we were at 65,000, like, hey, watch out for a red month. There's going to be some turmoil. And each of these boxes happens in a critical piece of Bitcoin's cycle. It happens right before the blow off top. We have a whole bunch of consolidation. We always have a red month. We always come back and touch our base, which is a 1.5x multiple of the previous all-time high. Hence, we just touched 30,000. That's a 1.5x multiple of 20,000, which was our previous all-time high. So have we done anything out of the ordinary? No. And we've been inside of these consolidation boxes. We're about to close month 4. We've spent a large amount of time in this box, and people are getting very nervous, except us. We're fine. We're inside of the boxes. Take a breath of fresh air. Now, into the shorter term. Well, how do we know when Bitcoin's going to pump next? Because it just seems like day after day, week after week, there's more bad news and the price keeps dropping. Now, I'm going to let you in on the secret. It's the stochastic RSI. It's down here at the bottom of your screen. I want you to hone your eyes in over here for this circle, and then over here for this circle. Now, Bitcoin back here in April of 2020, we were moving sideways at a snail's pace for 168 days. Where it was super boring. Every day it was like 10,000 or 10,005 or 11,000 or 10,005, 10. Everything was right around this price action for 168 days. And then something magical happened. We had a stochastic RSI cross above the 20 level. Keep in mind, the developer of the stochastic RSI, back in the day when he developed it, he clearly said, it becomes accurate once you have a cross that goes above the 20 level. Then it becomes confirmed. So back here in September 21st, we had a cross, and by September 28th, the cross was confirmed by early October, and then we were off to the races. We said goodbye to 10,000, 11,000, and we went straight to 65. That's what we're waiting for Now, you can see where we're at now. I'll give my opinion on now in just a bit, but I want you to clearly understand the power of the stochastic RSI cross. Another one back here in March, you know, we had that coronavirus pandemic, and then we had a cross up, which really helped us. And even look at the previous run, right? Bitcoin had dropped a lot, similar to now. We had dropped a lot. There was blood in the streets. There was fear. There was panic. Sense something familiar? That sounds like today, right? A lot of fear, panic, blood in the streets, people predicting we're going a lot lower. And what happened? The stochastic RSI kept falling. And then, magically, we had a stochastic RSI cross. It's essentially a shot of adrenaline, a shot of momentum. Essentially what the stochastic RSI is, momentum, right? So we had that cross right at our lowest point, and then we went from about 3,000 up to 14, okay? And that was all right directly correlated to the stochastic RSI cross. Now that you understand the power, the significance, the importance of this, you can see we haven't had a stochastic RSI cross since right here, September of 2020. Since last year, we haven't had a cross since then. And by the way, once we had it, we went from about 10,000 up to 65. And since we had a cross down, we've been falling. We've lost some momentum. The momentum is going very slow. The momentum is stagnant, and we're losing some price action because we don't have any momentum. We're waiting for momentum. Now, the only thing you need to watch is the stochastic RSI cross up. You can see where we're at right now, and we'll just go ahead and zoom in, right? You want to see a cross above the 20. You may say, well, Steve, how about on March 15th? Didn't we cross above the 20? No, you can see it right here. We went up to about 19.8. We did not officially confirm our signal. Therefore, it wasn't an official signal, right? And you can see we crossed up here, but again, it doesn't become official unless we go above the 20, plain and simple. If you want to be a successful trader, you have to have clearly defined rules and follow them. So what do we think is going to happen? Well, the market is really bottoming out with our momentum. You can see it, right? When's the last time we've been this low with our momentum? We're at 1.04 with our momentum, right? The last time was here back in August 2019. You can see where the market was at that point, right? Very stagnant, kind of losing our adrenaline, losing our momentum, and you can see where we are today, right? We want to wait for a stochastic RSI cross. That's what I want you to watch, with the blue crossing above the orange on the weekly and above the 20. If you're watching this video in a few days from now, or a few weeks from now, or a couple months from now, look at the chart. When did Bitcoin start pumping? I'll be willing to bet it started pumping right when we had a stochastic RSI cross above the 20, and that was our signal that, hey, this is the pump we've all been waiting for. Now, if you're looking for a realistic price prediction for XRP or Ethereum or Cardano, we made all of those videos. I'm going to link them here. There'll be a little pop-up coming up so you can get a realistic price prediction based on actual facts in the charts, not some ridiculous price things that will get clicks and views. We actually give realistic stuff here based on the facts. Now, if you haven't done so already, you definitely want to hit the subscribe button. Join the movement. Less stress, more success. Turn on the bell and hit that thumbs up button, right? One piece of advice for Steve's Secrets to Success. And by the way, make sure you go get your free course if you haven't done so already as well. But one piece of advice that will hold true more than anything I've ever told you is believe in yourself. There's going to be so many people through your life. They doubt us. They doubt me. They doubt you. Let them doubt you. If you believe in yourself, you'll be able to literally accomplish anything you want. Literally. And you have to believe in yourself subconsciously. You can't just feel it. You have to really subconsciously believe in yourself and what you want to achieve, and it will happen only if subconsciously and consciously you believe in yourself. Who cares about all your doubters, whether they're friends or even family or people at your work? Who cares? If you believe in yourself, you will be able to accomplish whatever you want, right? I'll leave you on that note. Plenty more videos coming. Hit that subscribe button. Join the movement. Shout out to everybody that's been showing us support for years. I really appreciate you guys. And we're on an incredible journey together of changing lives. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.